You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
What brings you to Ikoro this early morning?
Thanks to Ikoro.
You're welcome.
Well, I need powers. I need the royal power and authority.
You mean the throne of Mbachi land?
Exactly.
Who? Hey! Hey! Iko. No. Hey! Agaga? Gaba? Mbosine bo. Eh? Hey! Body can bosogo. Hagalata fani. Hey! It is not an easy task. Difficult. Very, very difficult. How?
I know it is very difficult. Very, very difficult. But I also know that there's nothing impossible with Ikoro.
At times, there are battles that are difficult. Very, very difficult.
Listen. Don't make me lose faith in Ikoro. Ikoro has never disappointed me before, and I know that he shall not this time around. I have been here several times with sacrificial materials.
Otua. Agaga. Ikoro will not fail. He will not fail.
I know. I knew he would not fail.
My darling.
My love.
You know the death of my father has brought me face to face with fate. I never believed I would take up the mantle of leadership at this age. But destiny has played its role.
Always.
I thank you for being my queen. And together, as king and queen of Mbachi Kingdom, you and I will rule in spirit, with our soul as one.
Amen.
Are you hungry?
No. I love you all.
We love you too, Your Majesty.
I'm honestly glad that you knew me before I took the crown as queen. But I must remind you that we all have to live together as one. You have to love and respect each other. We have to live like one big family. Do not hesitate to report to me any negativity you're undergoing in the palace. You either report to me, the king, or the queen mother. Don't forget that we are all equal before God. No segregation. Despite the fact that we are all equal before God, it still doesn't mean that you forget who your seniors are. Am I understood?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Very well then. You're dismissed.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Ogoma.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Come. pictures are lovely. Thank you, Ogoma. Oh, those pictures were back in the days. Tell me, Ogoma, what plans do you have for yourself in the future?
I don't understand, my queen.
Interest, inspiration, something. What future ambitions do you have for yourself?
Okay. Get married to a responsible man.
Just that? Whatever happened to education?
Mother! My queen daughter.
Long live the queen.
We need to talk.
Ogoma, you may leave now. But don't forget, we're not done with our discussion.
Yes, Your Majesty.
You're too fond of Ogoma.
I don't know, Mother. Even the king is fond of her too.
It's good. She's happy seeing people that took her as their daughter.
She's not like the rest of them, Mom.
Cut! 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 What is it? Your Majesty. I said cut. It was a cut. Not of Jesus. Where do you see it? It was here. It was right here. I did see a cat. I saw it.
What is it, my room?
I just come
From my room.
Queen Mother, she said she saw a pussycat.
A cat? Yes.
Where? She saw it here as she was sleeping.
It's okay. It's okay. You may go.
Okay,
Mother, I am sure I saw the cat. But you said you were asleep. How can one's eye be open while sleeping? It's okay. It's just a dream.
Are you sure?
Yes. Put yourself together. It's a dream.
Mother, I'm afraid. I'm so afraid I am.
It's okay. Just put yourself together.
I'm serious.
No, seriously, I never knew you were this afraid.
Of course I should be afraid. I am a woman.
Oh, you're a woman? You're now calling yourself a woman. But way back in school, you used to act
I
like...
can't believe you're making a joke out of this. It's a serious issue.
Look, okay, what would you have done if you were me? No, seriously. Do you know what I dream of? Like, constantly or the regular?
What?
A lion. I always dream that a lion chases me in my dreams.
Never...
I'm telling you.
You never mentioned...
Oh, but look, because I understand it's just a mere illusion. That's it. Nothing. Please. Look, let's sleep, okay? Stop being a sissy over it.
I'm serious.
I get chased by big cats, not stung pussy cats. Are you okay? Okay. My bad, I'm sorry.
Can you imagine? Ogoma is still here.
Ogoma. This guy has a very big problem with sleeping. Just imagine the way she's lying like a corpse.
And the annoying thing is that she's the favorite in this palace.
Ogoma.
Please, let's just leave her. Let's go and continue what we're doing.
No, I'm not leaving her. The queen must hear this. Ogoma.
An annoying girl. See the way she's sleeping. Like the palace is hers.
They've all gone out.
Ogoma.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I have received series of reports about your sleeping habits. Are you sick?
No, Your Majesty.
Why is it that you don't wake up like other maidens?
I don't know why, Your Majesty. It gives me worries. Because it's as if I do it deliberately. I don't know what's happening to me, Your Majesty.
When do you normally go to bed?
I go to bed early. At times I sleep before others. But it still happens.
You better take care of it. Okay? Make sure you handle it.
Okay, Your Majesty. Thank you.
What's wrong? I think you said your children were trying to return home.
No, I do not want them to come back now until everything is over.
Oh, yes. I see. Their presence could be a kind of weapon against you.
Of course.
And of course, a kind of discouragement too.
Oh, I am happy you see things the way I see them now, from my own angle. By the way, how much did you say you needed?
No, 200,000 naira. I did take over.
200,000. Aboki.
Yes, Chief.
Give me some money.
Yes, sir.
Oh no, one more.
More?
No. That's okay. All right. I want smoother jobs this time around.
I will not disappoint you.
I love to hear that.
Count on me. I like to be nice with this boys.
No, I pay them for that. I pay them. I have never lost anything I desired.
I won't lose this time around, I assure you.
Okay. How are you?
I'm fine, Uncle.
Okay. How is the palace?
Oh, the palace is doing very well. I'm actually on my way to your place.
Oh, now?
Yes.
Ah, wrong time, Chika. Wrong time.
It's actually very important I see you, Uncle.
I know. But I think it has to wait for some other time. As you can see, I am on my way to catch up with one important appointment now. Why don't you come up next time?
Later in the evening then?
In the evening, yes. In the evening. No, I won't be able to make it. Why? Let me see. Okay, why don't we keep it day after tomorrow?
The day after tomorrow then?
All right. Okay.
Have a nice day.
And you too. Thank you. Yes, go ahead.
I don't know why.
Have you told Mother?
Yes, I did. She said it's a pregnancy symptom.
So I'm going to be your father.
I haven't said that.
Tomorrow, we'll go to the hospital.
Yeah, we should.
Yes. My love.
Did you see your uncle?
Yeah, I saw him on my way to seeing the governor.
Oh, my goodness. He's too proud.
He's living his life, my love.
His own is too much.
That's my father's twin brother we're talking about here.
I pray none of his children take after him. My goodness.
My love, his kids, I know absolutely nothing about. Okay? Yeah.
Hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
No.
Come on, what's your problem?
Get
Your mind
away.
is in the gutter. I was talking about having a bath
You
before.
should.
Won't you sleep? Tomorrow morning now you won't wake up early.
Ogoma, better go and sleep. Because tomorrow morning I will pour you water if you don't wake up early.
What's this now? Eh? It's still 8:48 p.m. and you girls want me to sleep early. Am I a foul? Eh?
So he's talking. If I was even better than you. Because he wakes before every other person. So please sleep.
Please, you push, let me be. You girls are here seeing movies and you want me to sleep early. What's this now? Allow me now. Eh?
You're just saying this just because the queen likes you more than us.
Well, that's your business, okay?
Ogoma, you better sleep before I remind you of how you got into this palace.
Well, you've already done that, okay? Rubbish. You all are just jealous of me. But I promise each and every one of you, none of you can do anything to me, okay? None of you.
Please just shush. Please shush and sleep. Can't do anything.
One day, we'll tell you that we're not your mate in this palace. If not for the king, I would have dealt with this girl in this palace. Nonsense.
See small girl of yesterday. Small girl.
Nonsense. I mean, let's watch TV. Leave this girl.
I don't want to talk to her.
Increase the volume.
Yes, come in.
Good morning, Your Majesty. Good morning, Your Highness.
Ogoma, good morning.
Good morning.
Breakfast is ready, Your Majesty.
So early?
Yes.
Alright, we'll soon be done.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Yes, tell Oka to get a car ready, okay?
Okay, Your Highness.
Let's go freshen up. Well, good morning.
Good morning, and how are you, my darling?
I'm fine.
Good.
Just a little bit of waist pain and ache.
Waist pain? Well, Mom says it's only natural with pregnancy, so...
Yeah, she said so.
So endure it.
Endure and enjoy.
Yes, endure and enjoy. Enjoy it.
Alright. Go freshen up next.
Yeah, okay.
Your Majesty, what about Maziochia? It's been long he came to the palace.
The king's uncle?
Yes, Your Majesty.
I don't know much about him, Okoma. Why do you ask?
No, nothing, Your Majesty. It shows that I've never seen any of his family members before, but I hear his family.
His wife and kids are abroad.
I should say the man is very rich.
Okoma, the entire family is blessed.
Oh! I'm sorry, Her Majesty.
Sorry, Your Majesty.
I'm fine. Oh my God!
I'm sorry, Her Majesty.
I'm fine.
Sorry.
Oh, yes, I'm fine.
Obanko. 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 Here I am. Whoever serves you, whoever believes in you, whatever he wants, you supply. Here I am. Whatever I want, you have supplied. You have never disappointed me, and you will not this time. Whatever I want is always and must be mine. I have never lost any battle all my life and will not this time. Therefore, the throne of Machiland is mine. The throne of Machiland is mine. The throne of Machiland is mine. Obanko.
Uncle. Chica. How are you?
Chica.
Yes, I must say this is a surprise, you know.
Oh, yes, I just wanted to give you a surprise. So how are you?
I'm fine, I'm good, I'm okay.
Thank God, thank God. I know that everyone is worried that I no longer come by. I know that.
You see, in that aspect, I'm not going to lie. Everybody's worried as to why you haven't been coming. Anyways, well, now that you're here, I'll get down to the nitty-gritty of why I've been wanting to see you.
Okay, so
it has to do with my plans of making you a member of the Royal Executive Council.
What?
Yes.
One of the royal chiefs?
Of course.
Anyway, Chica, I will consider that.
No. Uncle, you cannot tell me that. No. I mean, you just have to accept. You are family. Now, I as king, you know I will not trust any other chief around me like I would trust my own uncle.
Anyway, that reminds me. Where are the queens? Your mother and your wife?
Well, my wife went to the hospital and my mother... Oh, there she is.
My husband.
Mama Chica, how are you?
So you're still alive?
Achia is still very far from death. You see, you people don't seem to change. Just look at Chica. And you.
It's God. We give God all the glory.
That's it.
So, what has kept you away from us?
Oh, engagements, my wife. Plenty of it.
You've not been offered anything. Where are these girls? Excuse me, my husband.
Hey, that reminds reminds me, Chika, what about the picked girl? I mean, the free child. What's her name again?
Ogoma.
Ogoma, fine. How is she?
You still remember her?
No. Even if I forget every other servant here, I won't forget her. She's a special girl to us.
Yes, of course she's very special. This palace is glad to have her. She's well-mannered, I tell you.
Oh, that's good.
Yes. Yes, she is.
That's good. That's good. All right.
Mother, you calling me and bringing me here in private means what you want to discuss is quite serious.
Yes, it is.
What is it about?
It's about your uncle.
Ocha?
Of course. You know you're just like your father. Both of you don't take anything serious, especially when it involves a close person. I don't want you to make mistakes just like your father. He never listened to my words. He believes women had nothing to offer. And that's cost him a whole lot. If he had listened to me, he wouldn't have died the way he died. May his soul rest in peace.
Mom, I don't understand you.
I'm only trying to caution you to mind how you deal with your uncle. My instincts don't lie to me, and it won't this time. Something tells me your uncle is not happy with us. His behavior shows his mind is bad to us.
Come on. How can you come up with such judgments? How? I mean, Uncle Acha, as far as I'm concerned, is the same person he is and was when Father was alive. The only problem is that man is just too busy.
Just the same thought like your father.
Mom, is there anything else?
Where was your uncle on the day of your coronation? Has he come to acknowledge you since then? Or didn't you invite him specially?
Yes, I did invite him specially, but he told me he was busy. I'm even surprised I saw him this afternoon.
Just like your father. At times we need to read negative meaning into people's behavior. Maybe this will help give you an idea of what I'm saying. How does your uncle address you?
By my name. But it's okay, I mean, his family.
In public, in front of the servants. My son, I just don't want you to make mistakes like your father did. That's my fear.
Mom, I'm fine. Everything is fine. You worry too much.
It's not connecting.
I'm worried.
Me too.
Nkume.
My king.
Go and get the car ready.
Move it, move.
I have to go and know what's going on, please.
Please just be careful. Be careful, please.
How did it go?
Everything went well, smooth and perfect.
That's good. You guys have done a very nice job. But there is still more to do.
We know, sir.
You know that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can go and have fun.
Thank you very much, sir.
I have never lost any battle. I always have what I desire. But your throne is mine.
You were very worried, you know.
I'm sorry. The car broke down. There was nothing I could do.
You should have called.
Mother, there was no network on my phone, even till now. I am sorry. I know you were so worried, but...
So how did the antenatal go?
Oh, Mother. There are more pregnant women in this world than men. My goodness, you need to see all these pregnant women. All of them. Lord! You need to see all these pregnant women.
What? Why? What happened?
I took my husband.
Your husband did what?
My husband
did what now?
I took my husband one shot. On his way to the palace.
Okay. Rise up. Has he been lost in the hospital?
Yes, sir, Diotica. Who must have planned this with Diotica? Hey, God, where are you?
Let's go to the hospital. Forget all this.
Chai!
Mazi Dikeh, bagara mozo, manozo Maria. Ndo. Mama Chidi, stop crying. Stop crying. We should be happy and thankful to God that he survived it. He survived it. And so long as your husband did no wrong to any man, God will not let him die. Just believe that. Okay?
But Papa, why would my father be attacked? You said it was a mistake of identity, but I'm sure he was the target. Has he even offended or fought with anyone before in this village? Is he competing with anybody over anything in this village?
Chidi, my son, you might be right. But let's not leave what is at stake for another thing. Huh? Only God knows why your father was shot.
God! Whoever that did this must not go scot-free. That person must not go scot-free. He will not. Mama, he will not.
All right, it's okay.
I'm still shocked. Extremely shocked as to why Mazi Dikeh was attacked. I mean, Mazi Dikeh is a noble man we all know in this community. A man who is not in competition with anybody. A man who is not envious of no one. Now, we all heard how it happened. If you deduce logic, you will find out that he was actually the real target of the killer, because the killer actually told him to stay clear.
Your Highness, you mean to stay clear of what or where?
That is what we don't know, and that is what we fear. So I ask every one of you here, does anyone know if Mazi Dikeh is in battle with anybody in this community, because the Mazi Dikeh I know, if he had problems outside, he will bring it before this council.
Your Majesty, personally I prefer to know my enemies so that I can keep them at lunch than to dine with them believing they are my good friends. This is an act of jealousy.
Please, please, please. Let us talk how to help Mazi Dikeh out of that condition. Then we look into the security issue to protect lives and properties in this community. I'm afraid we are not safe. We are not safe.
I am so confused and dumbstruck. The like of this had never happened in the Bachi community.
This is why we must look at security as a priority in our kingdom. Mazi Dikeh's medical bills I will take care of. Tomorrow, I suggest we come back here and discuss this pertinent security issue. Thank you very much, gentlemen.
No. Please sit down, sit down. No.
I don't see any drink before you or around you at all.
You see, I only cool my head with drinks whenever it is hot.
Mine is hot now. You should have no more.
My friend.
Just take it easy. My boys will bring any kind of drink you want. But meanwhile, what have you brought for the vulture? The prey.
Alert to be cautious. Security is the paramount issue in the kingdom.
No one does Ochaya in this community and goes away with it. Nobody. Now tell me, who sprang up this topic? Tell me.
Well, once they say have ears, but it's just that they wanted us to go the other way around. The king said no. I said no. More I said I insisted. No.
How dare him? How dare him challenge my activities in this community?
Well, my advice to you is you must be mindful of the way you walk your things now. Be mindful of the way you walk your ways. That's all.
I am the vulture, and the vulture lands in silence.
Myself.
Baby.
Yes.
Baby. Baby. Turn around.
Yes.
No.
Please, I beg you. Leave me alone. Leave me alone in this palace, okay? We are not mates. You know that. You're far much older than me. Please.
Please, don't say that, Ogoma.
Hey.
Don't say that, Ogoma. Ogoma, let me tell you. You see, this love of a thing does not count on size or age. I love you, Ogoma. Love me, please.
Which rat are you looking for again? When the big rat is waiting for you to catch up.